topic. It's very simple. Okay. There are two indexes. Okay. We have discussed now. I told you we will come across many indexes. So there are another two indexes. What we call it as RESIDEX and house price index. Both are related with to check the inflation in the real estate or housing sector. Just to check what is the price movement in the real estate. RBI as well as National Housing Bank have introduced two different concepts. Okay, so RESIDEX is basically an index to measure the price movement of residential property in different regions. Okay, so RESIDEX is launched by this is very important. Okay, RESIDEX is launched by whom? National Housing Bank, which is a subsidiary of RBI. It's a subsidiary of RBI, and the base year for RESIDEX is financial year 12-13. The base year for RESIDEX is financial year 12-13. So important point is, what is RESIDEX? To measure the price movement in the residential property. It is released by National Housing Bank. The base year is 2012-13. And what this National Housing Bank will do, the data is released on a quarterly basis. See, imagine the question pattern of wholesale price index. There was a question on wholesale price index, by saying that it will be released monthly. Like that, if a question comes, if they are saying that RESIDEX is released monthly, it's wrong. Why? It is released quarterly. It will say that RESIDEX is released for all the cities in India. That is also wrong. Why? It is released only for 15 cities. If it says that 11-12 is the base year, that is also wrong. Why? 12-13 is the base year. So very important. Write down, very important. Okay. So from 50 cities, from where around nearly 50 cities are covered from 18 state or union territory capitals and 37 smart cities. Okay. So this just have an idea what is factual information, but very important. And RBI also comes up with, this is National Housing Bank. RBI also come up with a housing pricing index, an index similar to it, what is called as house price index, or they can do a trick to you. House price index is released by National Housing Bank. House price index is released by RBI. Base year is 2010-11. So they can change the base year. Base year is, it is released by RBI. Base year is 2010-11 and it is only for 10 major cities. RBI releases house price index not to 50 cities, it releases only for 10 cities. It releases only for 10 cities, including 4 major metros: Mumbai, Calcutta, Delhi, Chennai, etc. Then the other 6 are Bengaluru, Lucknow, Ahmedabad, Jaipur, Kanpur and Kochi. So Kochi is also there, and out of that 10 cities, Kochi is also there. Okay. So house price index and RESIDEX. The trap will be there now. What is the trap you need to understand? The trap lies in what they will do now. What UPSC has an habit. They will exchange the fact between RESIDEX and house price index. Okay. So in first I will put that trap in my test. So let me see the I am giving you. Okay. So this is actually you need to know the trap. Once you know the trap and you prepare accordingly, you will not fall into the trap. And this is my gift, okay, after puja, okay, you will have an inflation. After puja holidays when you come, we will have a surprise 30 minutes test, okay, 30 minutes, 25 questions, okay. Surprise means, I am telling you that test will be there. When it will be, that is the surprise. Date I will not announce. You prepared. Sometimes you will say that it's a mains economic class, first 30 minutes, it will be a test. So it's over. Anyone answer this question, then you can go home. Agila, I have not asked you any question, okay. Yesterday I asked you, I think, okay. So then I'll, answer it quickly, okay. There's a trick is there in solving this question, okay. A trick is there in solving this question. So you tell me the trick. Read the 3-statement question, right. 3-statement question, right, okay. Read what is the question? India has, 2011, India has experienced persistent, continuous high food inflation. The question is about high food inflation in the recent past. What would be the reason? Read the first statement and tell me. Due to a gradual switch over to the cultivation of commercial crops. What are commercial crops? Means cash crops, crops like cotton. Okay. Due to the switch over to the cultivation of commercial crops, areas under the cultivation of food grains has steadily decreased in the last 5 years by about 30%. Right? Why you don't have confidence in your answer? Tell me, right or wrong? Huh? Wrong. Everyone? Very good. Now you eliminate the choice. Eliminate the choice. Answer is? Read the question. This is prelims for you, okay? UPSC questions for you, okay? Be smart. Be smart. Read. Don't worry. Don't panic. Even to unknown question, read it carefully. So second statement and third statement are correct. One is due to the consumption pattern and third is due to the food supply chain constraints. Answer is B. That's it.